if I told you that most people don't stay broke because they earn too little? They stay broke because of habits they repeat every single day. In 2026, millions of Americans earn decent incomes, yet many still struggle to build wealth. The difference between financial stress and financial freedom often comes down to small daily decisions. In this video, we'll reveal 10 money habits that quietly drain your finances and practical ways to replace them with better habits. Let's get started. Habit number 10. Living without a budget. Many people know how much they earn, but they have no idea where it all goes. Without a budget, small purchases add up quickly. Coffee, food delivery, subscription services, impulse shopping. Each may seem small, but together they can consume hundreds of dollars every month. Fix. Track your spending for 1 month. Then create a realistic budget using a simple system such as the 50-30-20 rule. 50% needs, 30% wants, 20% savings and investing. Habit number 9. Buying things to impress others. Luxury cars, designer clothes, the newest smartphone every year. Many people buy these items because they want to appear successful. But appearances don't build wealth. Assets build wealth. Remember, rich people often buy investments first. Poor financial decisions often start with trying to impress strangers. Habit number 8. Ignoring emergency savings. Life is unpredictable. Medical bills, car repairs, job loss. Without emergency savings, one unexpected expense can create years of debt. Goal: build an emergency fund covering 3 to 6 months of essential expenses. Even saving a little each paycheck can make a big difference over time. Habit number 7. Depending on one income source. Relying on only one paycheck is risky. A single job loss can affect your entire financial situation. Many financially successful people develop additional income streams. Examples include freelancing, dividend investing, rental income, digital products, online businesses. Multiple income sources create more financial stability. Habit number 6. High-interest credit card debt. Credit cards can be useful tools, but carrying high-interest debt month after month becomes extremely expensive. A balance that seems manageable can grow rapidly because of interest. Fix. Pay more than the minimum whenever possible. Focus on paying off the highest interest debt first. Habit number 5. Waiting too long to invest. Many people think, I'll start investing when I earn more. Unfortunately, time is one of the biggest advantages investors have. Starting early allows compound growth to work in your favor. Even modest, consistent investing over many years can significantly outperform waiting for the perfect time. Habit number 4. Lifestyle inflation. As income rises, expenses often rise just as quickly. Bigger apartment, new car, more expensive vacations. Instead of saving raises, many people spend them immediately. Try increasing. Habit number 3. Never learning about money. Financial education doesn't stop after school. Reading books, listening to podcasts, learning about investing, taxes, budgeting, and retirement. These habits can improve long-term financial decisions. Knowledge compounds just like investments. Habit number 2. Emotional spending. Stress, boredom, excitement. These emotions often lead to unnecessary purchases. Before buying something expensive, wait 24 hours. Many impulse purchases lose their appeal after a short delay. Habit number 1. Thinking wealth happens overnight. Social media often highlights instant success, but real wealth usually grows through years of consistent saving, investing, and disciplined decision-making. Financial freedom is rarely built in a single day. It is built one smart choice at a time. Small improvements, repeated consistently, can lead to meaningful long-term results. Now we'd love to hear from you. Which money habit do you think is the hardest to break? Leave your answer in the comments. If you found this video helpful, like, subscribe to Wealth Theory, and turn on notifications for more practical personal finance and wealth building content. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.